we were at Rockwell. We were just shopping for computer games, but to be honest,
Shopping for what?
computer games. But to be honest, meron kaming dinner plans, but it got cancelled because the restaurant was full. So.
Ba yun?
Nabitin lang kami kanina dun sa inamin mo, James, na may plan kayo to celebrate Valentine's sana sa isang resto. Pero hindi mo sinabi what happened after na makancel yung date. Ay dinner nyo.
No, after it got cancelled, we went to Rockwell. We bought some games. And then I ate at home.
So hindi na na-reschedule ang dinner date.
No.
Nasad tuloy ang mga fans. So wala nang ibang date, wala nang ibang plan na i-celebrate pa?
Yeah, so that's right. Don't worry, we'll be visiting other countries like Dubai, Milan, Paris.
So doon ang level up ng kilig. Pero the two of you, are you aware dun sa lumalabas na pictures? Kasi nakunan kayo while you're on Rockwell. Na parang, di ba, nami-misinterpret si James ngayon. Dun sa lumalabas na pictures na nandun kayo sa Rockwell, nag-shopping kayo, tapos parang may nasa escalator kayo. Nang bumababa sa escalator.
Eh baka yung wrong timing na may pagkakakuha ng photographers.
Any statement para kasi nga parang na-judge si James. Ang daming basher.
Dahil lang nauna, ma-judge.
Nakita ko po kasi photos, but hindi ko po alam yung part na yun.
Dahil lang nauna.
Kasi nauna po sa escalator.
Oo. Ay,
Actually, we were rushing through the mall because there's a lot of.
Kasi may bit-bit ako.
oo, may bit-bit ka. Tapos si James, sinasabi na parang hindi ka tinutulungan.
No, kasi, paano ba? Wait lang, mag-explain ako. Wait lang. Hindi kasi po, yung mga gamit po na, like, ganun, I really don't mind kung ako yung magbibit-bit. It's okay, kasi number one, it's not really heavy. Number two, kaya ko naman ko. And even pag may schedule, minsan po wala akong PA. I carry my own stuff, I drive. So parang, it's really nothing for me.
Pero si James, hindi ka pa nag-offer, James. Kahit na din.
Ano po,
Hindi ba
sorry po?
nag-offer si James na tulungan ka?
He did, but then, ako nahawak. Kasi it's okay.
Oo, ugali ko rin yun ako magdadala ng pinamili ko. Hindi ko pwede ipadala. Okay na?
So sa'yo, James, okay lang.
She wanted to hold the bag, so I'm not gonna fight her with the bag.
Then, sanay po kasi ako ng ganun, even with my bag. Parang, hindi ko po pinapabit-bit talaga sa iba.
Okay, ayan na po.